It's right here. You've seen more people do it here than anywhere else on earth ever. Am I right or wrong with that? Everybody in this room knows you got two choices in this world with everything you want to do. You can quit and fail or stay and succeed. That's it. You have to pick. You have to choose. There's no gray area. Well, I'm going to goof around with this until I fail and then I leave. Really? Until you're serious and laser focused. And this is it. This is the plan A, B, C, and D, right? This is my plan and my backup plan and the plan that I have behind that plan. And this is the freaking plan. And this is what I want and laser focus. And this is all I'm going to do. This is who I am and this is my life. And until you can change your mind, you can't change your life. So until you get there, until you're like, oh, I'm ready to actually listen today. Oh, I'm not going to go rogue. Oh, there are rules that coach says every day and he keeps preaching to me and telling me and every day he says the same thing. And well, why am I not listening? Because you're not really laser focused yet. And until you get there, you will not be as successful as you can be. So I need you guys, get your head in the game, start paying attention. You don't need to wait 2 years from now to be like, hey, these rules are in place. He says it every day. He used to sit here 16 hours a day and say these rules. And here we are and all the things and the teachings and the trainings. I say it every day. You guys get it every day. Every day. You get it 12 hours a day. For God's sakes, people. It's here. It's right here. It's all here. Focus. Get your heads out of your butts. Focus on what you need to do. Follow the rules. Risk management. Stop giving up on yourselves. We're here every day. Love your faces. DJ, go ahead.
Yeah, Coach, I kind of got out too early, but I also didn't want greed to creep in.
Yep.
I made a good amount of money off of it, but good. I don't know. Did I do it right?
Listen, if it's a green trade, you did it right anyways. And if it was a bad trade, you might have did it right anyways. There is no good. There is no bad. It's how you handled the trade, what your risk management was. Did you stick to your plan? Did it go the way that it was supposed to? Did you get out when you should have? Listen, green and red trades, profit or non-profit, they can all be good. As long as you stuck to your rules, your risk management, your strategy. Not every trade is going to go your way, ladies and gentlemen. You will always leave money on the table. Always. You can never guess bottom. You'll never know what top was. You'll never know when the last cent could be squeezed from it. That's that whole greed and fear, right? Now, everybody in this room, though, if you guys were scalpers, everybody in this room knows if that breaks above the 21, I'm out because that's my backbone, right? I don't want to be anywhere near, because think about it. It was following the 9. We talked about it earlier. It was following the 9, following the 9, following the, what did I say earlier? I said for the first time right here, I said it touched the 21. Caution, yellow flag starts to go up. Right here, it broke through the 21. I'm out. And what do you know? What is the level where coach was telling us all to shed? 574.70. Remember that major key level that was there earlier? Well, guess what? Look at where it finally came through on this 21. Everybody see it right in here? You see how all these start to make sense? And oh, coach, you got out a little early. Well, I didn't say to get way out. I said to shed. And then I said to add when it breaks below 573.74, you can add again, and everybody should add it again. And then when it started to come back the upside, make sure you guys are collecting, make sure you guys are shedding. And if it breaks the 21, I'm out. And that's it. That's all.